Friends, it's a good news for you that India is targeting the rollout of 6G telecom network, which will provide ultra high-speed internet connectivity by the end of this decade, that is 2030, to create more jobs. Friends, India currently has 3G and 4G telecom networks, and the companies are gearing up to roll out 5G over the next few months. Friends, today's phrasal verb is roll out. It means to make a new product, service or system available for the first time. In other words, to officially launch or introduce a new product or service. For example, the new model is to be rolled out in July. The company expects to roll out the new software in the month of July. The company will roll out an enhanced version of its operating system in the new year. The firm rolled out its newest generation of supercomputers. Friends, its another meaning is to make something flat by pushing something over it. For example, roll out the pastry on a flat surface. She rolled out the document on the table. In the last example, I will roll out the red carpet for you if you subscribe to my channel and give a like. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day. Yours, SEKHAR'S English. Bye-bye.